Good day, everyone. For today's topic, we will talk about the human persons as oriented towards their impending death. So, in this video, we will explore how human beings relate to their own mortality and how the awareness of death shapes the way we live. So, for our introduction, death is one of the most certain realities of life. No one can escape it. But rather than seeing death only as something to fear, philosophers see it as something that gives meaning to life. According to Martin Heidegger, a German existentialist, our awareness of death makes us realize how limited our time is, and that awareness pushes us to live more authentically, meaning to live based on our true values and purpose. Our death is not just a physical end, but also an essential part of our human experience. By understanding that, we also understand our life better.
Meaning of death. This is a universal reality that every human being must face it. Marks an end of our physical existence, but philosophically it gives life meaning, knowing that life is limited, encourage us to value our time and relationship. According to existential thinkers, death is not something to fear, but something to understand, and reminds us that we have the freedom to make choices and live purposefully while we are still alive. Ang meaning daw po ng death ay ang kamatayan ay katotohanan, hindi maiiwasan ng sino man. Ibig sabihin nito ay ang pagtatapos ng ating physical na pag-iral. Ngunit ngayon sa pananaw ng filosofiya, ito ay nagbibigay ng kahulugan sa buhay. Dahil alam natin na may hangganan ang buhay, natuto tayong pahalagaan ng oras, relasyon at pagkakataon. Ayon sa mga existentialist na pilosopo, ang kamatayan ay hindi dapat katakutan kundi unawain. Paalala ito na malaya tayong pumili at mamuhay ng may layunin habang lahat tayo ay nabubuhay pa.
The concept of authenticity. Authenticity means living in a way that is true to yourself, your beliefs, values, and purpose. A person who lives authentically is aware of their freedom and takes responsibility for their choices. In contrast, inauthentic people simplify, follow what society dictates without reflections. Authentic living means accepting the truth of our mortality and using that awareness to live more genuinely and meaningfully. So, authenticity means being true to who you really are. It's about living according to your beliefs, values, and goals instead of simply copying what others do or what society expects. When you live authentically, you understand your own freedom and take responsibility for your decisions. It also involves being honest with yourself and accepting reality, even the difficult parts, so you can live more meaningfully. For example, a student who chooses a career based on their passions for art, despite others saying it's not practical, it's living authentically, they follow what truly matters to them, instead of instead of giving in to pressure to take a more popular or safe path like becoming a doctor, engineer. This shows they value their personal happiness and purpose more than society expectations. That's all.
So, proceed na tayo sa Martin Heidegger's view being toward death. The philosopher Martin Heidegger introduced the idea of being toward death. He said that death is not just a future event but a part of our being. When we acknowledge death as inevitable, we begin to live more consciously. We stop wasting time on meaningless things and focus on what truly matters. For Heidegger, facing death helps us achieve authentic existence, a life owned by us, not dedicated by others. So this means that we should always remember that death is a real and unavoidable part of life. He believed that when we accept that we will die someday, we start to live more meaningfully. Instead of wasting our time on unimportant things or just following what others expect, we begin to make our own choices and live in a true and honest way. This is what Heidegger calls authentic existence. In short, accepting death reminds us that life is limited. Because of that, we live more carefully and purposefully. It helps us become our true selves, not just what society wants us to be. That's all. Thank you.
Inauthenticity and denial of death. Heidegger also explained that many people live in denial of death. They distract themselves with work, entertainment, and social approval, pretending that death doesn't exist. This is what he calls inauthentic living. People who avoid thinking about death often fail to discover their true purpose. Only by accepting our mortality can we live freely and meaningfully. So, the according to the philosopher Martin Heidegger, many people live their lives denying the reality of death. Instead of facing the fact that everyone will die someday, they distract themselves with things like work, entertainment, or trying to please others and social approval. This way of living, avoiding the truth of death, is what Heidegger calls inauthentic living. He believes that when people refuse to think about death, they also fail to understand their true purpose in life. They live superficial without real meaning. Heidegger suggests that accepting our mortality, recognizing the life is temporary, helps us live authentically, meaning we live freely, purposely, and meaningfully, making the most of the time we have. And that's all.
So now we proceed to psychological perspective, the terror management theory. From a psychological point of view, terror management theory or TMT explains how people cope with the fear of death. It says that when reminded of death, humans often cling to their beliefs, culture, or religion to feel secure. However, this awareness can also push us toward authenticity. It can inspire us to pursue meaningful goals, strengthen relationships, and leave a lasting legacy. So the TMT is not just about how people deal with the fear of death. It says that when we remember that life will someday end, it can make us scared or uneasy. For example, when people face danger, sickness, or hear about the word death, they might pray even more, spend time with loved ones, or try to do good things in life. So these actions help them feel more secure and reassure them that their life has a purpose and meaning. So in simpler words, thinking about death can remind us to truly appreciate the only life given to us by God, that we have to cherish and treasure it as a gift from Him.
That culture and society. Different cultures view that ways. Some celebrate it as a transition, like the Filipinos, undas, while others fear or avoid talking about it. Culture shape how we face that, whether we accept it peacefully or deny it. A society that recognizes that openly allows individuals to reflect more deeply on life and authenticity. So in this slide, that culture and society, it shows how different cultures weigh. Yung iba, they see that as a transition, like as Filipinos celebrate Undas, where we visit cemeteries and remember our loved ones who pass away. Pero sa ibang culture, people are afraid or uncomfortable to talk about that. And culture really influences how we face that. Kung tatanggapin ba natin ito ng mapayapa o itatanggi natin. And a society that recognizes that openly allows people to reflect more deeply on life, on what truly matters, at kung paano maging totoo sa sarili.
Death, authenticity in modern life. In modern life, people often live in a state of inauthenticity by constantly seeking distraction and comfort. We are encouraged to focus on superficial achievements, technology, and social validation, effectively avoiding the truth of our own death. This avoidance leads to feelings of empathy because we are living by anonymous external standards rather than our own. By facing death, we gain the courage to step away from the expectation of others and define our own values. This shift allows us to prioritize what truly matters, such as love, personal meaning, and genuine connection, making our choices profound rather than superficial.
In conclusion, being aware of our impending death helps us live authentically. It pushes us to value our time, making sincere choices and live with purpose. And also, realizing that death is an inevitable part of life encourage us to live more genuinely and purposely. It reminds us to treasure our time, make meaningful choices, and appreciate every moment. Instead of fearing that, we should see it as a reminder that life is precious. By accepting that, we learn to embrace life more fully. As Heidegger explained, living authentically means not avoiding the thought of death, but finding meaning and joy in each day we are given.
And there you have it. Dito na nagtatapos ang aming pag-uulat patungkol sa human persons as oriented towards their impending death. Palagi nating tandaan na pahalaga ng buhay na ipinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoon sapagkat ito ay nag-iisa lamang. Sabi nga ng marami, life is short. Hindi natin alam kung kailan babawin ang buhay na ipinagkaloob sa atin. Kaya't hanggat maaari, igugol ito sa mga makabuluhang bagay. Mahalin ang pamilya at mahalin higit lalo ang sarili. Stay safe and stay hydrated everyone, and thank you for listening.
Masyadong mabagal, walang may pilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami nipis. Hingang malalim